Dear friends, today I will explain another section from chapter 20 of the Indian Patent Act or the Patents Act 1970. The section is section 120 and its title is Unauthorized Claim of Patent Rights. Okay, so we shall proceed with our key points. If any person falsely represents that any article sold by him is patented in India or is the subject of an application for a patent in India, he shall be punishable with fine which may extend to 1 lakh rupees. Fine. Just observe the keywords, the underlined words. Falsely represents any article by him patented in India or the subject of an application with fine which can extend up to 1 lakh rupees. And these are the keywords. This can explain the total meaning of this section. Okay, so still some explanations are also given here. So let us take a look. Okay, explanation 1. For the purposes of this section, a person shall be deemed to represent clause A that an article is patented in India if there is stamped, engraved or impressed on or otherwise applied to the article the word patent or patented or some other word expressing or implying that a patent for the article has been obtained in India. Now, the clause B says that an article is the subject of an application for a patent in India if these are stamped, engraved or impressed on or otherwise applied to the article the words patent applied for, patent pending or some other words implying that an application for a patent for the article has been made in India. Fine. So, in both the clauses, please observe the underlined words. And when you keenly read these two clauses by observing the underlined words, one thing you can conclude that I have described here, that in clause A, granted patent or when the patent is obtained, these cases are described. And in clause B, patent application, we can say the patent application, patent pending, like these things are described. So we can say that the patent application is in process. These things are described here. That means in clause A patent is always granted and description is given for this granted patent, and in clause B description is given for a patent application or a patent which is pending. Fine. Now, just for reference, I have given the meaning of these words. These important words, that is stamped. Stamped means impress a pattern or a mark on a surface or which can be a paper using an inked block or die, that you must have seen. Okay, next one is engraved. This means carve on the surface of a hard object. Fine. Now, explanation 2 is given. The use of words patent, patented, patent applied for, patent pending or other words expressing or implying that an article is patented or that a patent has been applied for shall be deemed to refer to a patent in force in India or to a pending application for a patent in India, as the case may be, unless there is an accompanying indication that the patent has been obtained or applied for in any country outside India. Here also please observe the underlined words. And in short, we can say that if any person is selling a product in India and such article falsely represents that any article sold by him is patented in India or is the subject of an application for a patent in India, he shall be punishable with a fine that may extend up to 1 lakh rupees. Fine. So, this way friends, section 120 is completed. Okay. And I would request you that please go through this video, please go through the bare act as well, and if you have any queries you can write down in the comment box. Okay friends, thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you so much for listening to me. Okay, stay safe, stay blessed.